Have you ever wondered about the magic behind the cool breeze that flows from your air conditioner on a hot summer day? Well, it's not magic, but science. And today, we're going to unravel this scientific marvel together. An air conditioner, contrary to popular belief, doesn't create cold air. Instead, it removes heat from the room and releases it outside. It does this using a process called the refrigeration cycle. Imagine we're on a journey following a refrigerant, a special fluid with properties that let it absorb and release heat efficiently. Our journey starts at the evaporator coil located inside your home. The refrigerant enters the coil as a low-pressure liquid. As it absorbs heat from the indoor air, the refrigerant evaporates into a gas. This is the first step of our journey, evaporation. Our refrigerant, now a warm gas, moves on to the compressor. Here it's squeezed or compressed, which increases both its pressure and temperature. This is the second step, compression. Next, the hot, high-pressure gas travels to the condenser coil located outside your home. This is where the refrigerant releases the heat it absorbed earlier into the outdoor air. As it releases the heat, the refrigerant condenses back into a liquid. This is the third step, condensation. The liquid refrigerant, still at high pressure, then passes through an expansion valve. Here, the refrigerant expands rapidly. This expansion causes a significant drop in both its pressure and temperature. This is the final step, expansion. The refrigerant, now a cool, low-pressure liquid, returns to the evaporator coil, ready to absorb more heat from the room. And so, the cycle begins anew. So, to recap, an air conditioner works by removing heat from inside your home and releasing it outside. It does this through a continuous cycle of evaporation, compression, condensation, and expansion. The refrigerant is the star of the show, absorbing and releasing heat as it travels through the system. Meanwhile, the air conditioner's fan helps circulate the cooled air throughout the room, giving you that refreshing respite from the heat. So the next time you switch on your air conditioner, remember the amazing journey of the refrigerant and marvel at the science that keeps you cool.